Hey CAD friends, in this 60-second SolidWorks video, we're talking about saving out your custom settings. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time making sure SolidWorks is most efficient for your workflow. That means assigning custom macros, customizing your mouse gestures and shortcut bars, and organizing your toolbar layouts. Well, unfortunately, when SolidWorks really piles up and you need to do a fresh install, which trust me, it does happen, or you move to a newer version of SolidWorks, you need to reset up all this customization. Well, fortunately, there's a way to save out all your custom settings. To do so, we're going to go to Tools, down to Save Restore Settings, and you can see we have the option to save out our current settings or restore all our settings from a file. So if we go to Save Settings, you can see the full list of all the customization we save out. So options, toolbar layouts, mouse gestures, and so on. I set a reminder in my calendar every month to save out my settings because you never know when something's going to happen. That's your 60-second solid tip for today, CAD friends. I hope you learned something. I will see you in the next tip.